Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with me. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at a song by Joe Mettle, Ohen Kese. Okay, so this particular song was done in the key of A. Okay, but I will be playing the key of F so that we all could get to see what they did in that particular song. Okay, so these are the things that we'll be looking at in the song. Okay, we are going to be looking at the verse, we are looking at the chorus, we are looking at the bridge, and we are looking at the intro they did in the part of this particular song. Okay, so with that being said, if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video you will be one of the first to get it. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into today's lesson. Okay, like I said before, it was done in the key of A, but I will be playing the key of F. Okay, so in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 and 1. Okay, the same as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so this help you to play in other keys. Okay, so with that being said, okay, let's check the progression. Okay, so the progression started off on the 1. Okay, basically I've split the keyboard into two parts. Okay, this part is the piano and this part is the EP. Okay, but the song was played entirely with piano. Okay, and they did the intro with a type of flute. Okay, so with that being said, so it goes off from the 1. Okay, Ohen Kese 1 to the 4. 1.
Yes, sorry, yes, we are alright.
To the 4. Then with 2 minutes, so we come to the 6. Okay, so basically the first progression of this particular song, okay, it goes from the 1, all right, then we go to the 4, all right, then we come to the 1, then 5. Okay, the first time they sing it, this is the progression that you play. Okay, second time we go to the 1, then 4, then 6. All right, okay, one more time. First time, okay, one more time. First time they sing it on the 1, they do chord to the fa, then we come to the do, then so. All right, the second time do to the fa. All right, then we come to the 6 instead of the do. Okay, then so. All right,
Ohen Kese, yes, she ran danger. Yes, sorry, yes, we are alright.
then here 6.
What time is it?
We come to the ye wire part. Okay, so the moment you hear ye wire, you are coming straight to the 5.
Yeah, you are, yeah, you share with him, and you now, I'm on sign, Obiaranti say, whoa.
Goes from the 5, the so, to the fa, then do, then so, then to the fa. Okay, so that part, if you are jogging it, it will be like,
Yeah, you are, yeah, you share with him, and you now, I'm on sign, Obiaranti say, whoa.
alright, so one more time.
Yeah, my yes, I do. You share with him, and you know I'm on signing. Obiaranti say, whoa.
The intro will be the last part that I will be taking you through. Okay, then after the intro I'll play the whole thing all together. Okay, there's a part that goes say wo. Okay, so say wo like that. Okay, it goes from here.
Obiaranti say wo, say wo, say wo. Obiaranti say wo.
Okay, basically I'm doing voicing. Okay, like if you have watched my previous video, you will notice that I have different ways to play my chords. Okay, but I'm using a different voicing here, like this. Okay, yeah, so that's basically it. So let me show you the last part, which is the intro they did. Okay, so what is that? I'm doing this Ti do do re, okay? Ti do do re, ti so, do re ti so mi fa. Okay, then I do la ti do la fa, ti do la fa so mi. Okay, then the second time, basically what I played, I'm playing it with duet. Okay, so like this. Okay. Okay. It's not everything that I can mention the chords. Okay. So basically I'm slowing it down so that you can get it. Okay. So okay. So then basically the whole song will start entirely the same thing all throughout. Okay, the verse, I showed you the chorus, and I showed you the bridge. Okay, the bridge is the part that I did. Paradam, pram pam pram pam pam. So everything about this song I've taught you guys. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in another video. Bye.